All right, we are at 136 Hinge Iron. I'll show you the street a little. It's a corner house. It's a quiet street, it seems like. Another beautiful December day in San Antonio. We're actually in Cibolo, which is just north of San Antonio. Not far from the Air Force Base at all here. Alright, so we're gonna head on inside. Come into a very large living room. It's like a living dining combo. Although I'd probably just use it as a big living room. Little coat nook there. This light is what makes it the living dining combo. But the kitchen is large enough to have a table right here. French doors into the backyard. Let's go ahead and hit the backyard now, since we're here. Nice flat yard. Little barbecue area. You're staring right into the neighbor's house. But I'm in the dead center of the yard here. So I didn't walk all the way back to the fence. Air conditioner. It's not brand new, but Goodman unit. Definitely have the inspector look at it. Let us know what they think of it. Looks like the whole exterior was freshly painted. Looks pretty good to me. I like the shade of green. Everyone's going gray, so it's nice to see some color. All right, walk back into the kitchen here. The laundry room's just off the kitchen. This is also going to take us out into the garage. There's probably a pantry here too. Yeah. Nice big pantry area. And then your utilities there. Now into the garage. Water heater looks good. Not humongous, but it's a 2-car. We have a half bath downstairs. It's a linoleum that looks like wood. Just hallway, really, for all the rooms. But right at the top of the stairs is going to be the master bedroom. Into the master bathroom. We have a linen closet here. Lots of space. Just a tub shower combo. Someone's definitely still living here. But it's clean. It doesn't look disgusting. I've seen some pretty nasty showers. A very large walk-in closet. And out of the master bedroom number 2 here. Oops. Down the hall into bedroom number 3. You got paint on the carpet. No ceiling fan. I didn't notice there's ceiling fans in the other one. Yeah, there is a ceiling fan in the other room. So then here in bedroom number 4, again, no paint or no ceiling fan. There's paint. Let's see how big this closet is. Decent size. Bigger than I thought it'd be. Bedroom number 5 to the left here. Again, no ceiling fan. And then into a full bath. We've got a board under that vanity. I'm guessing the board is there. It's a cedar board and it looks clean and finished. I'm guessing that it's a new vanity that's raised off the floor, but it's original linoleum. And so they put the board down there to hide the unfinished floor. It's my guess. Here's the inside unit. The house looks nice and solid. It has not seeing cracks. The doors aren't falling shut. There's also no ceiling fan in the master bedroom. It's a lot of room. It's probably the biggest house I've videoed for you. It's 2 days on the market. Just came on yesterday. And let me know what you think. It is a very big living room. So, awesome. End it with another glimpse into the kitchen.